everybody. This is my first batch of greens and turnips from the garden. And this is collard, Georgia collards, and turnip greens, plus the turnips, all from my garden. And I'm getting ready to put it in my Insta pot. And we're getting ready to cook our first batch of greens. I already put my turkey wings, smoked turkey wings is what I use in my greens. So I'm releasing the pressure, and then I'm gonna add the greens to the pot. Okay guys, see my turkey wings, I've already steamed them. They're good enough for me to put my my greens in. So we're gonna just put those in there like so.
But it has been proven that if you have alkaline soil or soil that's the higher pH, and let's say you amended that soil and you got that soil down, a little bit, your soil probably isn't going to stay there, okay? Your soil is probably going to creep back up. You got to continuously work on that soil to keep that pH down. It's not a one shot and you fix it and it's done. So,
all right, guys. Next, I'm just going to add my seasoning. All right, so we have our onion. We're going to put our onion in here. Let me get the last of this onion. And then we have our seasonings. We have our onion powder. We have garlic powder.
And you should not put the concrete down there when it's going to be below 40 degrees. So,
a little black pepper.
I got plenty of time. I don't need it right now. But I did need to get these in the ground so they're ready for when the spring.
I'm putting additional chopped chives.
But when I do the trails.
And we're going to put a little cayenne to give it a little kick. Yeah. All right. And we got plenty of seasoning from the smoked turkey. So there's no need for no salt. Adding no salt. Especially if you like me and you got high blood pressure. The salt from the smoked turkey is flavorful enough. And what we're going to do, I'm going to let me grab a spoon over here. And I'm going to put that... Mix this up in here a little bit. And we're gonna get started. I'm gonna turn this off. Then I'm gonna do like a poetry, which is going to give me 20 minutes, and then I'll check it, all right? In 20 minutes, I'll check it, and if it needs to go a little longer, then I'll have it go a little longer. All right, so that's it. Okay, guys, here it is, and these greens are heavenly. When they say fresh greens out the garden is the best, they mean fresh greens are the best, straight from my garden. These are turnip and Georgia collards mix, cooked in smoked paprika. Now I did add some Norse chicken flavor to it. Talk to you later.